ஹாய் வீவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபிங்கர் டிப்ஸ். ரொம்ப நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் என்னோடய வீடியோஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இனிமேல் சிபிஎஸ்சியோடைய 8, 9, 10, 11 வீடியோஸ் டெய்லியுமே அப்டேட் ஆகும். நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாமா? I am going to explain the grade 9 chapter 2 is matter around a sphere. First, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and have mass is called matter. ஓகே, நம்ம சுற்றி இருக்கிற எல்லா திங்ஸுமே நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா மேட்டர். ஸோ எதை மேட்டர் சொல்லுவோம்? இட்ஸ் நத்திங் பட் வாட் இட் ஆக்குபைஸ் த ஸ்பேசஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு கீப் அ பென் இன் அ டேபிள். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ மேட்டர் பிகாஸ் தே கேன் ஆக்குபை த ஸ்பேசஸ். அந்த ஸ்பேஸ் ஆக்குபை ஸோ எதெல்லாம் ஸ்பேஸ் ஆக்குபை பண்ணுதோ அதெல்லாம் மேட்டர். அண்ட் ஹேவிங் த மாஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் மேட்டர். எக்ஸாம்பிள் சாலிட், லிக்விட், கேஸஸ் அண்ட் எக்ஸெட்ரா. Next one, classifications of matter. So on the basis of physical state, the matter is classified into three types. One is solid, liquid and gases. But in chemical composition, they are classified into two. One is pure substances and the mixture. So first one, pure substances. So pure substance again divided into two types. One is element, another one is compound. Then mixture can be divided into again two types. One is homogeneous mixture, another one is heterogeneous mixture. First one, I am going to explain the pure substance. So what is pure substance? Yeah, pure அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? எந்த ஒரு மிக்சர், எந்த ஒரு கண்டாமினேட்டட் இல்லாதது தான் பியூர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ a pure substance is one which is made up of only one kind of particle. ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ இஃப் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டேக் அ அயன் ராட். இப்போ அயன் ராட் எடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? அது ஃபுல்லாக அயனில் தான் மேக் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ ஆல் த எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் ஒன்லி த அயன். ஸோ ஒன்லி ஒன் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பார்ட்டிகல், நோ, தட் இஸ் கால்டு தி பியூர் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள், platinum. So pure substance can be divided into two types. One is element, another one is compound. Element also have a three types. One is metal, another one is non-metal, another one is metalloids. Okay, so pure substance divided into two, that is element and the compound. Element again divided into three category: metals, non-metals and the metalloids. So element, actually already I told you, element is what? It's nothing but it is everything is made up of only one kind of material. So here what is the definition here? Element is a substances which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances. It is made up of only one kind of particle, that is called the element. Okay, next one, compound. So compound, element அப்படினாலே everything is only same kind of material, but compound is a substance which is made up of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed ratio by the mass. Example, water. Okay, a compound is nothing but what? It is a substance which is made up of two or more elements. Okay, two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed ratio. So in the water, if you are taking water, means two hydrogens and one oxygen only to form as water. Okay, so that is a fixed ratio, that is called the compound. Pure substance and the mixture. Okay, so once again I am telling, pure substance is a substance which consists of single type of substance, that is element or a compound. Mixture is substance which contain two or more pure substances. Example, seawater, mineral, soil, air, sand and salt, everything is mixture. Okay, so what is the difference between pure substance and mixture? Pure substance consists of a single type of substance. Here two or more types of pure substance. So pure substance cannot be separated into other substances by the physical methods, but mixture can be separated into components by the physical method. Pure substance has its own definite property. Here mixture shows the properties of the components because they have a two component, no, so it may be vary. Next one, mixture. So a mixture is a substance which is consists of two or more element compound. It's not chemically combined together. Okay, for example, mixture of salt and water. So salt and water, so that is called the mixture. Next one, it have the two types, no, one is homogeneous mixture, another one is heterogeneous mixture. So what is homogeneous mixture? The substance can be completely dissolved, that is called homogeneous. Heterogeneous, it is can be does not completely dissolve. So heterogeneous is this mixture in substances remain separated. Okay, homogeneous is nothing but the substance can be completely dissolved, is called homogeneous. Heterogeneous is nothing but the mixture which is a substance remains separated. Okay, and the particles are uniformly distributed. Okay, that is called the heterogeneous mixture of salt and water. Okay, next one, the types of mixture. So mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and the heterogeneous. Homogeneous is mixture which has a uniform composition, here non-uniform composition. The particles of mixture do not visible by the naked eye, here it can visible by the naked eye. Okay, next one, the particles cannot be separated by the filtration, here the particles can be separated by the filtrations. So the mixture is stable, the particles do not be settled down, here it can be settled down. Example, mixture of sugar in water, mixture of salt in water, mixture of copper sulfate in water, everything. But here heterogeneous mixture, the mixture of salt and sand, the mixture of sulfur and iron fillings, mixture of oil and water, everything is a heterogeneous mixture. So this is a homogeneous. Homogeneous is nothing but what? The mixture in which the substances are completely mixed together, not uniformly distributed. Okay. So before that, heterogeneous is what? The mixture is substances remain separated and the particles are uniformly distributed. Uniformly distributed is called the heterogeneous mixture of salt and water. This is or not uniformly distributed. Okay. The mixture of sugar. That is called homogeneous mixture. Next one, we are going to explain the true solutions. True solution is one of the homogeneous mixture. So, of two or more substances, a solution has a solvent. Actually, all the solutions have the two parts. One is solvent, another one is solute. Okay, solvent அப்படினா நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் புதுசா இருக்கு இந்த word. Solvent and solute. Okay, which one is solvent, which one is solute? The component in the larger amount is called solvent. For example, sugar solution. I am going to take a sugar solution. Okay, sugar solutions, what to do? First, I am going to take one tumbler. Okay, I am taking a glass of water. Just I am going to add 1 spoon of salt or sugar. Okay, so you compare these two components. So, water and the salt. Which one is larger? Which one is larger amount? Water. So that is called the solvent. Which one is lesser amount? That is called the solute. Okay, so the component is a larger amount is called solvent and lesser amount is called solute. Example, solution of salt in water. Okay, the properties of the true solution. So what are the properties? Actually all the solutions, எல்லா சொல்யூஷன்மே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் இருக்கும்ல. என்னென்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் அப்படின்னா, true solution is a homogeneous mixture. Particles cannot be seen in the naked eye. The solution cannot be separated by the filtration. The particles do not settle down on the solution. So first one, true solutions எல்லாமே homogeneous இருக்கும். The particles cannot be seen in the naked eye. இப்போ நமக்கு dissolve ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்மளால அதை பார்க்க முடியாது. Okay, we cannot able to see. Okay, so that is naked eye. Next is solute particles cannot be separated by filtration. அதே மாதிரி true solutions நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது. We are not able to filter. We are not able to separate. Okay, the solute particles do not settle down. Okay, solute சொன்னலையா, இப்போ salt or sugar they are not able to settle. Okay, and the solutions is stable. So the particles do not scatter a beam of light passing through it. So true solutionsல scattering light வந்து நடக்கவே நடக்காது. Next one, solution. Already I told you, solution we have a two parts, no? So one is called the solute, another one is solvent. So those having the lesser quantity in solution is called solute and larger quantity is called solvent. Okay, the example is sugar and salt solution. So true solutions abdinale we have some characters. So what are the particle size is less than 1 mm. Okay, particle size, so it's very very tiny, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கனால it is 1 mm and the particles will show Brownian movement. Okay, the particles will show the Brownian movement and electrophoresis will happen in the true solutions. Next one, colloidal solution. What is the definition? It is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Heterogeneous na already na sollirken. It is not completely dissolved. Okay, so mixture of starch in water, mixture of egg albumin in water, milk, these are everything is colloidal. So what are the properties? It is a heterogeneous. Heterogeneous particles cannot be seen in the naked eye. நம்மளால பார்க்கவே முடியாது naked eye ல. The solute particles cannot be separated by the filtration. Okay va, heterogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous எல்லாமே நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது. We cannot able to see the naked eye. We cannot be separated by the filtrations and cannot be, the particles do not be settled down. Okay, so what are the heterogeneous colloidal solution? What about the true solution? It is a homogeneous solution. True solution is a homogeneous, colloidal is a heterogeneous solutions. Okay, colloidal. Okay, we are talking about colloidal. Colloidal நம்ம சொல்றோமே அப்படின்னா என்ன? Actually, what is that? It is a solution with size of solute particle is mm. Okay, that is 100 nm. Example, blood. Okay, 100. So actually colloidal is nothing but what? It is sticky in nature. The particles could be little bit more. Okay, that is called colloidal. Okay, next we are going to see the suspension. Okay, true solution, that is homogeneous mixture. Colloidal, it is heterogeneous. Now I am going to tell about the suspension. Suspension is also the heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Example, solution of sand in water, solution of chalk. True solutions na enna sonna எல்லாமே dissolve ஆகுது. Colloidal அப்படின்னா என்ன? It might be dissolved, but the particle should be compared to the true solution particle it little bit more. But in suspensions, no, it's really larger particles. Okay, larger na rock மாதிரி consider பண்ணிக்காதீங்க. But we have to see in the naked eye. Okay, so we have to be settled. For example, sand எடுத்தனா என்ன பண்ணணும்? Just we have to mix with the water. What will happen? At first they can form as a dilute, they form as a dissolve, but after that all the particles should be settled down. No, that is suspension. Okay, solution of sand in water and the solution of chalk powder. Next, properties of suspension. So what are the properties? Definitely it is a heterogeneous, can see in the naked eye, and separated by the filtration, it can be settled down on the solutions. Okay, the main thing in the scattering a beam of light passing through the light is visible in the solutions. Okay, so what are the types of solution? Okay, so what are the components of solutions அப்படினு கேக்கும்போது என்ன எழுதணும்? Solute and solvent. What are the types of solutions அப்படினா? They have 4 types. One is aqueous solutions. Okay, aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solutions. Okay, what are the components of solutions கேட்டா solute and solvent அப்படினு நம்ம சொல்லணும். But what are the types of solutions கேட்டா என்ன சொல்லணும்? Aqueous solution. So what is aqueous solution? Solution having a water as a solvent. Okay, solution having water as a solvent. எப்பவுமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Solute and solvent. Okay, solute அப்படினா பண்ணுவோம் solid particle la போடுவோம், solvent liquid part. So aqueous solution is solution having water. Okay, already they have an water only. Okay, I am going to, for example, I am having the salt solution. Okay, as a solvent. Okay, the aqueous is nothing but what? It dissolved in the water, that is called aqueous. Non-aqueous solution is solution having a substances other than water as a solvent. Okay, water தவிர, okay, water க்கு பதிலா நான் வேற ஏதோ ஒன்று ஆட் பண்ணுறேன், that is called non-aqueous solution. What is saturated? It is a solution in which no further solute can be dissolved at a given temperatures. Okay, what is saturated? It is a solution in which no further solute. For example, I am going to take a glass of water. So next I am going to add the 2 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, just they can dissolve. Next again I am going to add 5 teaspoons. Again it dissolve. Again I am going to add 5 more spoons. So what will happen? At a particular time, after the limit, they cannot further solute, no, they cannot further dissolve. That is, okay, that's the point, okay, at a given temperature, that is called the saturated solution. So what is unsaturated? Solution which moves solute can be dissolved at a given temperatures. Okay, but in the given temperatures, they can able to dissolve, that is called the unsaturated solutions. Okay, next one, solubility. So the maximum, how can we do the solubility? The maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of solvent at a specified temperature is known as solubility. That solute in the solvent at a given temperatures. Okay, already we learned the suspension. Suspension is nothing but what? It is a heterogeneous mixture and settled. All the particles of small particles, no, it can be spread throughout the liquid without dissolving. Okay, without dissolving. Okay, that is called, example is muddy water. After a long time, it will be deposited at the bottom. That is called suspension. Okay, so just for recap, I am going to I have given the flow chart. So matter is nothing but what? It can be divided into 2. That is mixture. Another one is pure substances. So what is pure substances? Here the mixture can again divide into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Here the pure substance can divide into again element and the compound. Okay, so that's all. uh, so remaining the separations particles everything will be see in the next video.
இந்த வீடியோ கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் யோர் வாட்சிங்.